If you use a Mac and constantly copy and paste things throughout the day, you've probably noticed one annoying limitation. The macOS clipboard only remembers one item at a time. Copy something new, and the previous thing is gone. That's exactly why Clipboard Managers exist. Today we're looking at ClipBin, a Mac clipboard manager that claims to give you unlimited clipboard history and support for much more than just text. But the real question is, does it actually make your workflow faster? And what makes it different from other clipboard tools? If you work with screenshots, files, text snippets, or links all day, switching between apps and copying things repeatedly can become frustrating. Normally, you copy something, paste it once, and if you need it again later, you have to go back and copy it again. Clipboard Manager solved this by saving everything you copy so you can access it later. ClipBin is a clipboard manager built specifically for macOS that focuses on quick access and broader clipboard support. One of its main features is a quick shortcut. With Command plus Shift plus V, you can instantly open your clipboard history and see everything you've copied recently. Instead of copying something again, you just open the history and paste it directly from there. Another feature is unlimited clipboard history. That means every item you copy is saved, so you can scroll back through your previous clips whenever you need them. This can be really useful if you're doing research, writing emails, coding, or editing documents where you often reuse pieces of text. Unlike some basic clipboard tools that only store text, ClipBin also supports images, videos, and files. So if you take a screenshot, copy an image, or copy a file from Finder, it can appear in your clipboard history as well. That means you can paste media and files later without having to locate them again. Imagine you're troubleshooting something or writing instructions. You might copy several screenshots, a few text explanations, and maybe a file. Instead of jumping back and forth between folders and apps, you simply open ClipBin and paste those items from your clipboard history whenever you need them. It's important to understand how clipboard managers work. Tools like ClipBin mainly store copies of clipboard data. That means they help you reuse what you copied, but they don't replace the original content or perform a true cut and move operation. Their main goal is speed and convenience when working with repeated copy and paste tasks. So, if you're someone who constantly copies text, screenshots, links, or files throughout the day, a clipboard manager like ClipBin could make your workflow much smoother. The big advantage here is having quick access to everything you copied, all in one place, without needing to repeat the same steps over and over. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. And if you enjoy discovering useful Mac tools like this, make sure to subscribe for more productivity apps and tech reviews.